morning everyone. My name is Panchul. I am happy to see you again and today we are making vacuum cleaner. Let's start. First you need a glass, you need a ring, big ring, and you have double side tape and you should put it in. You should stick it. Yes, you sticked it. Now you should put the same in the line, this, and you need a small ring and you should put it. Now take this and put it like this. Turn and turn. Put it. It's okay. Now, it should not come out, so that I'm putting it very hardly. So now it's okay. Okay. Now next, you should take the battery and you should put it here, like this. And now it's like a cup to drink. And now you should take a pipe, squeezy pipe, and you should take a small ring and small dot inside, and you should put it like this. Like this. Yes. Now you should put it inside this hole. And it should go to the bottom. It's very hot. It's okay. Now you should put this and that should be down. Like this. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Now you should take this. Now you should take the motor and put it like this. Yes, it's okay. Now you should take the fan and put it in. Still come out. It's a little harder. It's okay now. Now you should also put it inside the glass. And now we are going to put the red wire. Circle. We're putting it again. Now I think so it's okay. Yeah. Now it's fine. Wait. Just a little more inside. Yeah, now it's fine. Now take the red wire, put it in the plus side. Put it inside. Now take the blue wire and put it in the blue side. That means minus side. And now it started working. Now here are some thermocols and we are going to take it inside. Toy. And that's finished. Thank you. And my vacuum cleaner is done. Thank you and we'll see you next time.